Hello friends, energized and energetic with lots of positive vibes. Be energetic always. How are you all? Fantastic, excellent, superb, awesome. You must be. Welcome to my channel. At the rate this Pratap Harichandan and the bracket the Sixth Sense PH. आप लोग मेरा वीडियोस शायद नहीं देख रहे हैं, फीडबैक भी नहीं दे रहे बिकॉज आई एम नॉट गेटिंग द व्यूज एंड फीडबैक ऑल्सो. अगर आपको चाहिए अच्छा कंटेंट तो फीडबैक दीजिए so that I can improve my contents. I am trying to improve my contents because it takes a lot of research and readings, then searching and a lot of things to make a content, isn't it? It is not easy. Nowadays anybody can say it is available in ChatGPT. Not at all. You have to accumulate all the informations, then take out the cream from there. Then only the content is met. Okay, so today we'll see another emerging career which is generally not discussed. कौन सा career options है? Can you guess it, students? Before that, the Sixth Sense PH, I am the founder of these organizations where we develop a student holistically to find their best career options to live a purposeful and joyful life. It is need of the hour. Because you know what is happening nowadays. A lot of things are happening and world is evolving every day. है कि नहीं? So इसलिए जो आप बनना चाहते हैं तो you should start from an early age. Early age means from class, I would say आपको पता होना चाहिए class 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 तक आते हैं तो आपका फाइनल हो जाना चाहिए because 10th के बाद आप अपना स्ट्रीम चूज करते हैं as per your ड्रीम. जो ड्रीम है उसको पाने के लिए आपको थोड़ा सा क्या करना पड़ेगा, थोड़ा सा इंटेंस होना पड़ेगा. क्योंकि जो चीज आपको पाना है अगर उसमें आप टाइम नहीं दे रहे हैं, सोच नहीं बढ़ा रहे हैं, तो इट इज वेरी डिफिकल्ट टू अचीव योर ड्रीम बिकॉज यू विल गेट लॉट ऑफ इंफॉर्मेशंस फ्रॉम योर कलीग्स, फ्रॉम योर फ्रेंड्स, फ्रॉम योर पेरेंट्स, फ्रॉम योर रिलेटिव्स. सब कोई आपको इन्फॉर्मेशन देता है, ये चीज अच्छा है, ये चीज अच्छा है, ये चीज अच्छा है, इसमें ज्यादा पैसा है, इसमें करियर अच्छा है, इसमें जो बाहर जा सकते हो, लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. बट को डिसाइड कौन करना चाहिए, जो कि नहीं होता है. आपको डिसाइड करना चाहिए. टिल यू आर इन क्लास 10th you should have the confidence. Yes, I am going to become this or I want to have this. This is my dream. And work hard, focus on that, then only you can achieve that. So पहले आपका जो पैशन और जो इकागाई, प्लीज देखिए इकागाई में एक वीडियो बनाया हूँ, सॉरी इकिगाई, उसमें देखिए उसमें एक वीडियो बनाया हूँ इकिगाई में, हाउ टू फाइंड योर पैशन, इंटरेस्ट, लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स. देन ओनली इफ यू आर फाइंडिंग एनी डिफिकल्टीज प्लीज टॉक टू मी, वी कैन हैव ए 1-to-1 कंसल्टेशन. इट इज वेरी इजी. ओनली थिंग इज दैट आपको सोचना पड़ेगा कि मेरे को क्या करना है. स्टेप, ये सब चीज क्या है ना, छोटा छोटा स्टेप है. इफ यू आर हायरिंग ए करियर काउंसलर, ये छोटा सा स्टेप है. डोंट लुक एट द मनी एंड आपका सोच जो है, आपको क्या चाहिए, कहाँ पर पहुंचना है, उसका हिसाब से होना चाहिए आपका सोच. ये नहीं कि आप जहां पर अभी है उसका हिसाब से सोच आपका जो बिग होना चाहिए, बिग ड्रीम जो है उसी का हिसाब से होना चाहिए. Isn't it? So आज का जो emerging career opportunity है बहुत अच्छा है. That is career in 3D printing. This of course this is a technical career opportunity. You must be a technical graduate, whatever. We'll see in detail. तो 3D printing actually है क्या? ये actually जैसे जाना जाता है additive printing, additive manufacturing, creating three-dimensional bodies, three-dimensional objects, three-dimensional products before it is manufactured so that you can visualize your product. And also small parts are manufactured nowadays using 3D printing. And उसका जो application है, let us see what is the applications. First है, अगर आपका like suppose you want to have a big बिग डायमेंशनली माने आपका वॉल्यूम कैसा है बहुत बड़ा है तो और वो कॉम्प्लेक्स है हाउ टू observe how to visualize before it is being manufactured. Okay, nowadays the softwares are available, 3D CAD design softwares are available, but you can see it if you are manufacturing through 3D printing a prototype. You can visualize it as in front of you. It is not in the screen, isn't it? So it is used for prototype manufacturing. Second है आपका हेल्थ केयर में जैसे सर्जिकल इक्विपमेंट्स हो गया, डिवाइसेस हो गया, नाउ कंप्लीटली 3D प्रिंटिंग टेक्नोलॉजी यूज्ड फॉर मैन्युफैक्चरिंग, हाउ इट इज फिजिबल. देन आता है आपका मैन्युफैक्चरिंग में जैसे सपोज आपका ऑटोमोबाइल इंडस्ट्री है, you cannot manufacture using 3D printing a complete automobile, but the parts, small parts are being now manufactured using 3D printing, small parts. Like similarly it is used in aerospace also. Aerospace is, you know, highly technical field, and it is big products are there in aerospace. So these are the some industries just I told you, but other industries are also using. Next, what is the basic qualification required to work in a 3D printing manufacturing industry or as a 3D printing job opportunity that you want to have? First, you must be a graduate in mechanical, electrical, computer science, industrial production, whatever it is. You must be a BTech. But additionally, you must do a additional certification course, which is available from IIT Bombay on 3D printing, then National Institute of Electronics and Information Technology, and CAD Center in India. These are the main premier institutes for 3D printing certification course in India. Globally, if you go, all big universities like Harvard, then Penn University, your MIT Massachusetts Institute of Technology, all everywhere it is available that you can have. And nowadays, you know, education is available on your desk. It is available online. You can take courses from Coursera, EDX. Lot of good universities are providing courses through this Coursera or Udemy. You can have those if you are really interested. Now let us see what are the career options. Just to discuss some career options. You can become a 3D printing engineer who design and develops 3D printing processes. Next are the additive manufacturing specialist. This is a good opportunity. This is a good career options. Additive manufacturing specialist. They are needed all over the world and demand is more nowadays. Those who are working in aerospace, automotive, health, industrial, many organizations they are working. And material scientist also, because the type of metal that is going to be used in 3D printing, that you have to research and get it. So these are the 3-4 options that I told you. Other things are also there, like design specialist, CAD specialist. Those are also required in 3D printing industries. And what are the skills required? Nowadays, in addition to your basic educational degrees, you need skills. That is very important nowadays. Organizations are looking for those only. First, it is your technical skills that you know. You must be a master in technical skills. After experience, you become master. Problem solving skills, communication skills, creativity. It is very much required in this industry. Creativity, innovation and creativity, project management. These are the skills required for this industry. Why actually 3D printing in rise? You know, how does it is benefiting us, the world, the environment? Because it is actually being produced, you have less waste and uses the utmost materials which are lightweight and efficient materials, and it is actually revolutionizing the speed of manufacturing. A lot of things are happening in this area. So this is all about briefly about 3D printing. If you are really interested, you can search and Google or internet, anywhere you can search. If you need more information for me, I would also search for you, and you can discuss one-to-one consultation you can have, isn't it? So please decide. This is a very emerging career opportunity. Before that, know your best career options using artificial intelligence career assessment test. That's it for today. Happy career, all the love, all the power.